What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So I don't know how long this video will be. I'm going to build my Silverado, and we're going to go by each component, each trim level. So good God, electric Silverado. Don't want that. Jeez. Well, the first thing it does is take me to electric Silverado. First edition RST, 96,400. Holy sh! Not a chance. It looks ugly as shit too. I don't want an EV. No. Not a chance. How the hell do I get out of this? Model. Don't want a first edition POS. That shit. You're smoking some good shit here, Chevy. Think you're gonna pawn that piece of shit off on me? Fuck off. Sorry guys, didn't say that, but I'm not built. I don't want that. The fuck? Learn about electric. How about no? Or as Dr. Evil said, how about no? It won't let me. What the hell? It won't let me build. The hell? Okay, let's try this. I don't want an electric. Is it gonna give me an option for anything but this piece of shit electric? Might have to try this. There we go. There we go. Don't want Silverado EV. Hell no. Hell no. To the no, no, no. Hell no. Silverado 1500. Let's start with that. Jesus. That's better. Shit. Son of a biscuit. Regular cab, standard bid. Starts at $39,195. Regular cab, long bid, $39,395. So, do you guys, let's try regular cab, standard bid. I guess that's all it's gonna give us. Double cab, standard bid, $42,495. Crew cab, short bid, $44. Not horrible. Crew cab, standard bid, $45. So let's go. If it'll do it. Okay, so we chose standard, regular cab, standard bid. Let's see what it'll do next. Wait a minute. So regular cab, standard bid, work truck, $43,000 for 4-wheel drive. Rubberized vinyl floor covering, black front bumper, Durabid. It's a Durabid. So this is just a shorty and a shorty. A shorty attached to a shorty, boys and girls. 4-wheel drive, obviously. Work truck. 8-speed automatic. Turbo Max engine. Jeez. Let's try to see if we can change that. Or is that all they offer? I think that is all they offer. That is standard. Is the Turbo Max 2.7 inline 4. Not a horrible engine, a decent engine. For what I do, it would not be enough for me, but maybe it is for you guys. Yeah, so I guess that's all you can get with that. for $43,795. Let's view all features. Yep, that looks like about it. So that is a 2025 Silverado 1500 work truck. Short cab, short bed with the 2.7 baby Turbo Max. Yeah, 40-20-40 split front with the pop-up bench. Durabed, so I guess bed lined, I don't know. Chevy safety assist. USB ports. Package. Automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, following distance indicator, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and telebeam. It's just a fancy way of saying the headlights come on when it gets dark. Mechanical, roll formed high strength steel Durabed, so it's just a bed. Turbo Max engine, 310 horsepower at 5,600 RPM, 430 pound-feet of torque at 3,000 RPM, paired with the 8-speed automatic, which everybody loves, said no one ever. If it's the same 8-speed from back in the day. Electronically control with overdrive to haul mode. Raises transmission upshift points to provide more power to accelerate with a trailer or heavy load. Raises downshift, powertrain grade braking, cruise grade braking. Shit, my 17 has all that shit. You kidding me? 17 Ultra silver painted steel wheels. 17-inch 255 70R 17 all-season black wall tires. And then a spare tire the same size. Interior, 7-inch diagonal color touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice command, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android. Sirius XM Delete can be upgraded to. You take U2K, Sirius XM, 2 speakers. It's a short cab. Then warranty. 1 scheduled maintenance visit. First visit 12 months, 12,000 miles. Bumper to bumper, 3 years, 36,000. Corrosion, 3 years, 36,000. Rust through, 6 years, 100,000. Doesn't give me powertrain. So I don't know what the hell. View more. Powertrain. Oh, 5 years, 60,000 miles. Same as 9-10 years ago. Roadside assistance program, 5 years, 60,000. So yeah, that's what you get for. What's the price again? $43,795. That does include all your taxes, tags, fees, and all the other stuff. Doesn't include discounts or whatever. Yeah, if you have a commercial program or can qualify for that, maybe it's less. But that's the first one in many. We're going to do Ford and Alvin, boys and girls. So if you want to know what it costs to build your own, now what's on the dealer lot might be cheaper. So we'll compare that at some point. But I wanted to do these videos because it's interesting to me. Just because if I win the lottery, I'm getting a Trail Boss or a ZR2. Probably get a new Duramax, I'll be honest with you. I love the 03 LB7, but that L5P is nice. Anyway, guys, you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, share, and notifications. If you hate the Cowboys, that's cool too. I hate them sometimes too. If you hate Chevy, hey, I get it. I hate Ford, so we're good. Love y'all. Once we hit 100, doing a free giveaway. Peace out.